Okay guys, so you're welcome once again on this platform, and in today's video we are going to learn how to update or how to fix this problem on our mobile phone. If you are facing this problem on your mobile phone, then this video is in for you. So GB WhatsApp Pro is corrupt, and you have to update it. And if the update is not working, what you have to do is to just back it up and download a new version of it. And when this happens, it means that the app is updated by the developer. So what you have to do is to download the file. So if you want to download the file, just tap over here, tap on the setting, GB settings, then after that tap on the update, then after that you tap on update from web, and when you tap on it, it's going to send you to the website of the developer, and after that you see GB WhatsApp update or GB WhatsApp download, then you tap on it and you are going to get this GB WhatsApp file. So just tap on the file after downloading it and try to install it. So as you can see, it need a permission, so you tap on it, then you allow Chrome to allow APKs to be installed on your device. So tap on the install button, then you wait. As you can see, installation is moving on. So let's wait for some while. So you don't have to rush, you have to wait. It's going to work successfully. So it says what? Okay, so tap on the OK button. It cannot be installed. So let's go back. So if you want this to be fixed, what you have to do is to freeze the app. Let's tap on it. Then you tap on the GB WhatsApp. Then you tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, it's going to be freezed. And after freezing it, go back to your download file section. Then you tap on it again. After tapping on it, wait for it to load and tap on the install button. So let's wait whether it's going to install or not. So installation is moving on. So installation is moving on. Okay, this means that it's having a very big problem. So what you have to do is app is not able to install. So if you want to fix this problem, what you have to do is to check out my description below. I have a video to fix this problem. So when you watch the video, then you download or update this app. It's going to work successfully. Thanks very much for watching this video.